This luxury modification kit for the Apple Watch Series 4 through 7 promises to elevate your wearable to new heights of style and functionality. Crafted from premium 316L stainless steel, the case exudes durability and a polished finish that keeps your watch looking pristine. Paired with a fluoro rubber strap, known for its comfort and resistance to heat, oxidation, and corrosion, this kit not only enhances aesthetics, but also ensures long-term wear without causing skin allergies. The meticulous manufacturing process, involving precision machining and fine polishing, guarantees a smooth surface that enhances both comfort and durability. Presented in a stunning gift box, this kit makes for a perfect gift, whether for a loved one or yourself, promising to draw compliments with its sleek design and quality craftsmanship. Available in various color combinations, each tailored to complement different styles, it offers customization options to suit individual preferences. If you're looking to transform your Apple Watch into a statement piece that combines luxury with practicality, this modification kit is an excellent choice. For more information or to explore different color options, feel free to contact us, your gateway to a more refined and personalized Apple Watch experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.